Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of disabling Telegram notifications repetition. Are you tired of receiving repeated notifications on Telegram? Well, you're in luck. Telegram provides a simple way to turn off notification repetition, allowing you to have a more streamlined and less intrusive notification experience. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process of disabling Telegram notifications repetition. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Step 2. In the top left corner of the screen, tap on the 3 stacked lines. This will open the menu options. Step 3. From the menu, select Notification and Sounds. Scroll down to explore additional notification settings. Step 4. Look for the option labeled Repeat Notifications and tap on it. Then, select Off to disable notification repetition. By following these simple steps, you can easily disable Telegram notifications repetition, ensuring that you only receive notifications once without any repetitive alerts. Disabling notification repetition in Telegram helps to declutter your notification feed, preventing unnecessary distractions and promoting a more focused messaging experience. We hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful in disabling Telegram notifications repetition. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and guides. Thank you for watching, and enjoy a more customized and uninterrupted Telegram notification experience.